ఒక్కటే జీవితం స్నేహాలే ఓ వరం కరిగే ఈ క్షణం చేసేరా జ్ఞాపకం పడితే ఒక్కడే మరి రారా అందరే కలిగే ధైర్యమే కలిసుంటే నలుగురే
శబ్దం పగిలి ముక్కలవుతున్న భీకర దృశ్యం అలలెగసిన తడి అలజడి ఆగ్రహ తేజమై రూపుదాల్చిన సత్యం ఆగ్రహ దీక్షా పర్వం అహో ఆరంభం అదిగో పెను నిశ్శబ్దం పగిలి ముక్కలవుతున్న భీకర దృశ్యం అలలెగసిన తడి అలజడి ఆగ్రహ తేజమై రూపుదాల్చిన సత్యం ఆగ్రహ దీక్షా పర్వం అహో
चीज हो तुम खुद तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है
लाखों है मगर तुमसे यहाँ कौन हंसी है तुम जान लो मेरी तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है तुमसा कोई प्यारा कोई मासूम नहीं है क्या चीज हो तुम खुद तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है गट्टिगा ఏమైంది
ऐसा कोई साथ नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको बरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको बरसाए
It is a moment where a super senior is meeting to a super junior. Yes, it is a union of intelligent, intellectual, highly qualified teachers with their brave, structured, very well, dynamic, intelligent students. In short, it is a day where a mentor is meeting to his students. Hi, this is Madhavi of 1989 batch and is glad to take upon a golden opportunity on behalf of Kamlanendu Polytechnic, B.Pharmacy from 1962 to 2022 and staff to invite our honorable teachers and HODs Gulati ma'am, Mrs. Georgina ma'am, Radhika Reddy ma'am, and D. Anuradha ma'am for making this occasion much, much brighter. Lighting up of lamp is made melodious with their sweet voices. A welcome song by Banu Peri and Aruna.
Dear students and dear colleagues, so many colleagues are there, and so many students I still feel whether it is true or not. I still feel with so many students with around us, I am doubting whether I am sleeping or dreaming or I am in a vacated state. Thank you, children. We never knew that when we decided or when we thought that the program should go on. Only thing is that we wanted to have a get-together of the students. Get-together, we don't know. But it has gone out of my hands and Gulati madam hands and all my colleagues. We have been planning and students have been taken away everything, and it is a dream. And I am really thankful to each one of you for giving each one of our colleagues such a ovation. I can't forget it. Then, you see, I am a teacher. Even though I am a retired one, I think don't be afraid that I will take 50 minutes of your time. I think the organizers will be afraid. Because once the teacher takes the mic, it will be unending one, asking questions, what is the family or what has happened. But mercifully for you, I assure you that I will not take much of your time. But I should tell you something about the family of Kamala Nehru Polytechnic, how it has come into existence, and when so many leaders are there, how come that Kamala Nehru name has come? To back the history before your birth and even my birth. It is 1938. Some of the graduates of Osmania University have started a small exhibition of about 50 to 100 stalls. And then they wanted to have some exhibition, just sales. Next year, suddenly more number of people have come and they wanted to join it and called them as Numaish. Before that, just there is nothing like that, shops. Then in 1939, they have named it as Numaish. Slowly it goes, and then His Honorary Nizam have recognized the importance of that one because it is not only the shops, it is the person of the people who have worked with that one, so they thought that they should be given a state patronage. And they encourage Usmania Graduates Association to start to conduct the exhibition every year. Independence came, and then 1960 onwards, it has taken up very big roots. Then the then government in 1957 and 58 started the idea of taking this area, which is around 21 acres, and wanted to construct secretariat at that time. 1957, I think, because Andhra Pradesh has formed. They wanted to have a big secretariat, and it is a very good one. Then Shankarji and other leaders thought how to save this land for the sake of exhibition. They approached Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister of India, and requested them to spare the land for this particular occasion. Nehru advised that there was no education institution exclusively meant for women at that time. Then he suggested, why don't we start a technical institution for women? Then Shankarji and other leaders have taken up the reins, and they have decided that we should go for a polytechnic, 1959. Then what is that? They wanted to have ITI initially, then they came to a polytechnic at that time. Engineering colleges were very less, and even less were the polytechnics. So they wanted to have the first women's polytechnic in the country, and they have named it as Exhibition Society's Polytechnic in the first stage. 1960 come, they have taken the permission of AICTE and they started this polytechnic with 3 engineering courses. Mind you, pharmacy was not there at the time. It was civil engineering, electronics and emerging branch, electronic engineering and then architectural engineering. All the 3 were started in 1960. Then 1961, a new branch has come pharmacy. They have started 1961, the first pharmacy branch, and 63 onwards, the first batch has come out 1963. So from 1963 onwards, we are having batches. Coming to the head of the departments, we should know our family history, no? I am talking about pharmacy only. In 1961, they have appointed one Mr. T. Krishnamurthy as the head of the department. For first 2 years, he was the head of the department. Later on, Mrs. Sundari, she has become the head of the department. And then another Krishnamurthy, known as A. Krishnamurthy, has joined as head of the department. In 1967, Mr. Nageshwar Rao from the industry of Bombay, I think some of you listen. And his greatness is that we know that paracetamol at that time it was formulated as Crocin. I think you know it. Crocin, even now also the brand name. He has formulated that paracetamol tablet for us, even for years also. Of course, he never cracked his company. He was instrumental in giving the basic material, converting in the form of a tablet. And then it was known as the Crocin, then it was given by a pharmaceutical company in Bombay. So even that, maybe that the formulation may be changed, but Crocin has not changed. He has come all the way from higher salary to lower salary here because of his health conditions in 1967. Until 1990, he was the head of the department and one of the best and extremely dynamic persons. And his idea was, we should be the best. He never wanted his students to be next best. He always wanted to have his students to be best. Some of the students who were here before 1990 may remember him, Mr. Nageshwar Rao, very well. So, 1990, onwards. They have seen next one, that is yours faithfully standing before you. I have started my career here, 1968. I have started my first after my graduation directly. I have joined here, this one. And some of my students have remembered me that I was very strict. And I was, this one, they are always nervous about me. But do you know that one batch has scared me? Yeah, 1966 to 68 batch, that is they have passed out in 69, they have scared me because when I entered the 1968 first class, before that one I was not having any girls outside my family, no, and then suddenly there was no one has introduced me because at that time the class was empty. One of the colleagues, I think some of you know her, Mrs. Hemavati, wanted me asked me to take the class. When I entered the class, to my surprise, I found that the entire class is filled with the girls only. I thought that the entire world is, all the girls of the entire world are in the classroom, and they are, and one of the girls unfortunately has closed down the door also. I put them out. And you can imagine, my age was around 21. I don't know whether I can tell them my age or not, but okay, it has been leaked out. So, at that time, I was extremely nervous. And then I don't know what to talk. I may come from university, but what is the knowledge you have got for teaching? Nothing. And then what the subject? I don't know. She said whatever the subject, you speak to the students for about 50 minutes. Leave alone 50 minutes. I can't talk even 5 minutes because the legs are pulling, and then first I sat down. And then to my surprise, really, I found one 5-year girl also there in the class. I never knew that 5-year girls are admitted deformed. Later on, I came to know that she was the sister of one of the students. That was different. But I thought that they wanted to pull my leg, that's why they asked her that one to sit. So, from that nervous stage, somehow I have become, and then in 2004, I have retired from this college. But after that one, another 10 years I have served. But Mr. Nageshwara's wording, be number one, don't be fair. Sky is the limit for our thoughts. Never be afraid. And particularly for women, I tell you, you should not be afraid. Of whom? Of course, my favorite one, some of you know that. No girl should cry. Her husband, unfortunate fellow, should cry. Why should we cry? That is my really. I never wanted my students to cry. Why should they cry? They should be very happy. And later on, then coming to other colleagues, after that one, Mrs. Gulati has taken, Dr. Gulati has taken over, and then Dr. Anuradha. Then, coming to the staff, 1961 to 63 batch, university first, 3 students were there. Mrs. Hemavati was the state first, second is Mrs. Shyamala Das, third one is Mrs. Azharunisa. All the 3 have worked almost up to 67 or 68, and I knew them. And of course, Mrs. Hemavati has continued until almost 2001. And of course, she is not there with us. But one of the brightest students, she was university state first at that time, first batch, 1961 to 63. Later on, the pharmacy department as a unique one, it has produced 2 principals from this role. Really, 2 principals of one, this one, Mrs. Jardina Pires and Mrs. Radhika Reddy. Both of them have risen from our department. They are the roots of our department. And then, coming to education, generally most of them will stop at D.Pharm. But our department has grown up. It has produced 3 PhDs and then it has produced so many M.Pharms. And a number of our students have become doctorates and a number of students are now principals of a number of pharmacy colleges. Is it not a proud thing? Yes. Really it is a proud thing for us. And then a unique occasion to remember that this is our background. We never say that stop. We always grow. We always grow. And for girls, I know that you are like just like a candle burning both the ways. Either as a family and then for your profession. So we thought that a unique occasion must be there where you can go up. So myself and Gulati Madam thought that we should have this unique occasion. But we never thought that you will make it unique for us. Just like really I am telling you. And literally it happened. Once the parents grow up, the children will take over and say that, Dad, don't worry about the finances, we will take care. About the arrangements, some other girls say that, Dad, don't take care of it. So like that, they have relegated us. They will, even though we are sitting on the dais, all of you have relegated us, put us back. Please sit there, that is your corner, is your place. Now we will organize it. Yes, they are using it. Is it not? Whatever she is asking, I am talking. So, whatever, so it is a greatness and uniqueness of pharmacy for which I am proud. I don't know whether for next generation, next life, whether I will be whatever may be that I want to be a pharmacist. And then associated with each one of them. I go my head with respect to each one of you, my dear children.
Dear alumni of KNPW Pharmacy Department, my colleagues on the dais and off the dais, I extend a very, very warm welcome to all the smiling faces who are present here today in this auditorium. And I believe the live streaming is also going on for the program. So I also extend a warm welcome to those who are not able to be present here physically, but they are also watching the program here. Very warm welcome to all of you here. It fills my heart with joy and pride to see so many of you here sitting. This shows how much affection you have for your alma mater, for your friends, for your teachers. That is how you have come here to meet us, meet your friends and see your alma mater in person. Thank you so much, girls, for being present here. As Dr. Shastri has already mentioned, it was his idea. Let's meet all our students and staff members at one place. I was wondering how it will be, how we will execute it. Because we have no contact numbers, no records. Two of us are already retired. 10, 11, 12 years back we have retired. We have nothing in our hands. So how will we manage? But somehow, in service, some more students, they come to our rescue and they have helped us in contacting all of you. Then we started getting calls from the students. Oh wow! What a thrill it was to hear your voice after 20 years, 30 years. Gulati ma'am, wow, it was such an overwhelming experience. I just have no words to express my thanks to all of you. Then one fine day, Suma called me. I didn't know who's Suma. Where does she stay? Where is she working? I have no idea at all. I had no idea. Then she introduced herself. And so, I am at Singapore. And I am, why don't you create one WhatsApp link so that everybody can join? I said, Suma, I am not that technical expert. If you can help me, it would be nice. Then it was she who created the link and then also created the Google form. Then our other persons, Rohini, they are all in front of you. Madhuri is there, Manu is there, Priyadarshini is there, Acharya is there. We are Miss Suma. Started and then these people, all these people, they have taken over and they have done such an excellent job. 3 years, little good for these people of excellent job. It is not only these people, there are many behind their back also. Many volunteers are there who have really put in their effort, and there might be many who have worked in the background whose names we may not know, they may not know. But because of all this combined team effort, we all are here to enjoy this day today. That is the beauty of this pharmacy department. That is how the pharmacy department works. I'm so happy. And the amount of love and affection you have shown towards us, the teachers, all the teachers. It's so overwhelming, so overwhelming. It has really brought tears in my eyes. I have no words to express the thanks to you. As Sanjay said that these children have taken all the responsibility, our staff in the service, they have taken the responsibility. We two people, we just brushed up our hands and sat down peacefully. Okay, the work is going on. We come on the last day. That is what we have done. Thank you everyone for that, staff and students. As a teacher, I have seen you when you entered this polytechnic, just 16, 17 years old, innocent girls, trying to learn the trade of pharmacy. And today, when you have come here, you have touched the sky. That's the beauty, that's the inspiration I get from you people. That we teachers will remain there, but we see the smiles on your faces. Everyone is telling one's own story, success story. Ma'am, I'm doing this, I'm heading this department, I'm principal of so college, I've done my PhD, I'm grade 1 pharmacist, I'm supervisor here. So many success stories I'm hearing from these students, and this really fills our heart with joy and pride that our students are doing so well when they have left the borders of Polytechnic, Commonwealth Polytechnic, and they are here really bringing fame to our Polytechnic. Thank you, Bacho. Thank you so much. We have got so much of this affection, love, and respect for our Polytechnic. Teaching has always been a two-way street for us. We teach you one thing and we learn 100 things from you as students also. I think some of you must be remembering the tours we conducted to North India, to Goa, and also where we went, Delhi, Sri Sailam. There's so many trips we conducted. Some of you might be present here in the auditorium. Do you remember those tours? And we had certain very interesting incidences during that tour when we were going in the train, and the train was delayed by about 10-12 hours due to some accident along the way, and train was stopped. Now what to do? Our students were hungry. How to feed them? The dining car, there was no food. Then what we did, one small station came, we got down on the platform, Shastri sir, and whatever was available, whether it was bread, banana, bhaji, kichi, chai, whatever was there, we just picked up, grabbed everything, came back to the train and fed our students. That was an another experience for us. Another thing, we were going to Delhi, and when we were just about to reach Delhi, some daily passengers get into the compartment, just a daily routine. But so happened, many magnets were there in the compartment, you girls, and hundreds of boys got into that compartment. Then myself, Shastri sir, and Anuradha was also there. I think Nita was there. Nita was there. Some other staff members were there. Hemavati was there. So we were all standing like security guards to protect our girls, okay, so that these boys don't create any nuisance with our girls. That's one experience. Then I'm sure some of you must be remembering the Goa trips when we played in the waves, ocean waves. That was an experience. Really. In Sri Sailam, one girl, Jyotsna, was there. Is she here today? I don't remember which batch it was, but she could not go into the temple because she had some issue with walking. So she was not allowed to go because she was wearing shoes. They asked her, we'll take you on the wheelchair, but we'll not allow you to go with that. She said, nothing, my shoes are my feet. Will you cut your feet to go into the temple? I will not do so. If I have to go, I will go with my shoes on, which are my feet, they are not my shoes. She fought for her right, and the temple priest had to allow her to go into the sanctorium to pay her respect to God. That is it. That was her determination, that she fought for her right. And this is what I learned from her, that we should not bow down, we should definitely fight for our rights and go ahead with what we want. Today, you have come here and you have accomplished so much. Each one of you has got a success story to tell to your friends, which I am hearing from all of you. Our institution is proud that you have earned so much of respect in your respective fields. Today you are meeting your friends, you are reflecting on your journey, live the memories of the past, forget about whatever worries you are, enjoy as if you were 16, 17 years old. The alumni meet will be over today, but my request to you is that once this group is made, please continue meeting each other. Today we are here, tomorrow we will not be here. I am already 74 years, so we don't know tomorrow I'll be there or not. But you youngsters will be here. Please continue with this association of your friends. Keep meeting each other and enjoying life, which you will not do so. At this point, I really remember this song, although I cannot sing it. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं.
Your lectures were always knowledgeable, ma'am. In this regard, I am the luckiest one. Because I worked that for 3 years.
That was done, and my students have passed out in good flying colors, and they have landed up with extremely good jobs. Now my experience with the students was later on, when I would go to the railway hospital with my mother, the pharmacy students would come running from their windows where they are posted to meet me. And in the beginning, after my career started, the students that came told my mother, she was a very good teacher, we still remember what she taught us in physics. Maybe pharmacy we have forgotten, but physics we still remember because she used to be very strict with us. Then once or twice I have been to Gandhi Hospital. There also the students readily helped me. If I asked for one thing from my chief, they would give me 2 bottles of that medicine. The railway students, the railway pharmacy, madam, do you want multivitamin? Madam, do you want anything? But still they would come forward to help me. Now, today when I saw the girls, so happy, they are so happy, I could not imagine that they were longing to meet their classmates. Maybe when we passed out, we didn't have cell phones. But now we have cell phones and you have come in contact with your classmates. Keep your numbers with yourselves, give it to your friends, and keep on meeting each other, talking to each other, because friendship in life is very important, especially when you retire. You don't have anybody with you, but friends will always remember and remain with you in good times and bad times. Family may not be that good with you, but your friends will always be good to you. Another thing today I observed is my students are all I really liked the way she handled 500 students at a time, calling one after another. Very well organized, very good voice, and a powerful mic was in her hand. She really did a very good job, which I as a lecturer could not do it because those days I used to be the student's advisor and the mic was always with me and I struggled to control the students. They would not listen to me, they would shout and make a hell of a noise in the auditorium. But this girl has really done a good job. And of course they have organized lunch also very nicely, such a large crowd at a time. That was really well done. And so many girls are cooperating with each other to make it a grand success. That was really very good. And I'm glad to see the staff of pharmacy department. Of course, Radhika is the chemistry faculty along with me, and all others are from the pharmacy department. But I'm really happy that they have also come like a family with the whole pharmacy department. I know you are all spread out all over the state and all over the country, but you have really shown the spirit of your education in the Kamala Nehru Polytechnic. And I'm very glad that you have kept up the name of this institution. But I'm very sad to know that this institution, the Kamala Nehru Polytechnic, is closing down. Already closed down, I think. And it will not flourish further. It is being converted to some engineering college or something like that, which I'm not sure of. But I'm very happy to come back to the Polytechnic, and you girls have given me the chance to come once again and sit in the auditorium. Thank you girls. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. May I call upon Mrs. Radhika Reddy, Principal Ma'am, to say a few valuable words.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Tasmai Shri, Gurave Namaha, and we prove this. Santosham Pathalaki Vedana. After 14 years, I think, again I came on to the dais. There were several occasions and several annual day celebrations. I had many meetings on the same page. But today it is something new, peculiar, and sensational. Really good against the house. And I knew that teachers can use it, dreams and imagine minds of young children. You joined when you were in teens, and now you are all such mature individuals with families and high positions in the society. And I'm so glad that you represent the limits of style. I am so happy that words don't suffice my gratitude, but love and affection showered on us. How they entertain you. స్టూడెంట్స్ యూనియన్లు జార్జిన కండక్ట్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ ఇవే గుర్తుకొస్తాయి. నేను ఫార్మసీకి అసలు అపాయింట్మెంట్లోనే అపాయింట్మెంట్ దిస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐ వాజ్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ మెడికల్ అండ్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు లీవ్ దట్ జాబ్ ఫర్ పర్సనల్ రీజన్స్. And after joining there, I got promoted organic chemistry, organic chemistry department. And my subject of specialization was on the organic chemistry and general chemistry. So I thoroughly enjoyed teaching you guys. I think your intermediate was very came. So from 79 to 90 and 91, I really enjoyed teaching chemistry to you pharmacy students because you had organic chemistry, general chemistry, extremely my specialization. Besides teaching engineering students, electronics, civil and architecture, I totally enjoy chemical laboratory work and everything only students. So thank you very much. See, when there are students, then only there will be teachers. It's mutual giving and taking, that's all. It's a relationship. It's very beautiful relationship. So, thank you very much for everything. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. We have a small request to the volunteers. 1998, 2000, 1987, 89. And 2008, 2010, 2012 and 2014 to 1994, 96 volunteers. Please come forward and come to me once to confirm your photo.
Dear students, it is natural to those who have left us out. Why? Because of the age passes, it is quite natural that we lose some of our students. Everyone has to be with you, but as of day, we have lost some of our students. Just I will tell the names and then I will remind their position here. Mrs. Saroja Murthy was the first lecturer of chemistry of this institution earlier, right from starting 1965. She was the lecturer. She taught chemistry with a very, very strictness, and then she is no more, so we fondly remember her. Then we will have Mrs. Nasrat Kasimuddin. We used to teach botany to the botany and zoology to the students who are having, that is from the 10th class onwards, 1960, 1994 onwards, we have switched on to intermediate as a basic qualification. Before that one, they used to be the 10th class qualification. For that one, biology was a subject and a great teacher of biology was Mrs. Nasrat Kasimuddin. In the first few years, when I was teaching pharmacognosy, I was not knowing some of the words. I used to sit with her and understand them. So we are once again fondly remember her, Mrs. Kasimuddin. Then we have got Dr. Amrit Narayan. The name itself is wonderful. Amrit Narayan, I don't know how many of you remember. Earlier, yes, elderly man, I don't use the word old because I am also old now. So I will say that he is elderly man, he used to teach anatomy and physiology. A wonderfully this one, and that is most lovable, affable character. While the name of Mr. Dr. Amrit Narayan reminds me, I should tell you one interesting anecdote in his life. After a long time serving here as anatomy physiology part-time lecturer, he told that his son he is in USA and he wanted to, he has taken a green card and he has given us party. I think Mr. Jarjuna and other people remember him. He has given us a farewell party in a hotel and we said bye-bye. After 5 or 6 months, nothing has happened. And suddenly one day, one fine day, I got a call. I was wondering whether it is a USA call. Then Dr. Sahab, aap kare se baat kar rahe? Then he said, no, I'm in Hyderabad only. Then first question he asked is my position vacant? This is what really, is my post is vacant? Sir, I was not able to understand. Okay, tomorrow I'm coming, I want to speak to you. So he has come. Then explained that really this is most important for every girl. That's why I mentioned it. He was having 5 daughters and 1 son. One son has migrated to USA and he was saying, so he insisted that his father should get the green card and he has gone there accordingly. His daughters told that, nothing, Dad, why do you go? We will take care of you. But he said, as a true to Indian tradition, he went to USA and stayed there, I think, hardly 5 months, and came back. Inquired, sir, that's all, what has happened? He said, no, USA is not a place to live for a retired person. I want to this one, and I am sorry I told my daughters that, no, you are not equal. Now I realize that my daughters are better than my sons, who is away in USA. These are the words I remember, fondly remember, because you can understand the greatness of Dhaka. That is Dr. Amit Nayak. Then we had Mr. Nageshwar Rao, really the spirit of this pharmacy, who has given us the spirit. He said that never die. He always used to say that we should be number one, whether it is games, sports, everything. That is the spirit we have borrowed from him. And then from then onwards, we have attained All India First a number of times repeatedly. I don't know if you remember or not. All India First, Diploma in Pharmacy, Kamalaru Polytechnic. We have attained it. He said, nothing is given this one. So, sky is the limit for our thinking. And that great man has reminded us time and again that we should be number one. So in that way, and then in an unfortunate incident, we lost him. So his life was cut short. Then we have got one of the greatest English lecturers, Mrs. George. I don't know how many of you remember fondly. Yeah, she was, I don't dare her to call a lady, but she was a wonderful lecturer. The way in which she taught us is something beyond comprehension. English means Mrs. George. So we have lost Mrs. George also. Then we have got our dear colleague and student, Mrs. Qamar Fatima. She used to be here, and then she used to teach anatomy, physiology, different subjects, and after retirement we lost. Then we lost Mrs. Rajendra Kaur, a dynamism. Of course, she was enigma to a number of people, but we lost Rajendra Kaur and this one. As a school staff also, we remember her because of the help to the retired staff of KMT. So we fondly remember that. Besides that, we lost a number of our staff members and also a number of our students. As recently as the other day, we lost the great person, Mrs. Aliveni of 1987 batch. After some brief illness, by working as a pharmacist, because she's a pharmacist student, naturally she had worked, and then she suddenly passed away. She was having 2 daughters, and we pray Aliveni, all the other staff members, also who were lost, but we assure that we fondly remember them. Now let us stand for 1 minute, observe the silence, and pray for the departed souls. Thank you. Maintain silence.
చేసేదే ఎదురులేని చట్టం ఓర్పు మార్పులోన ధరణి మాతవమ్మా, తీర్పులోన ధర్మమూర్తివమ్మా. జయజమ్మ మాయమ్మ, జయజమ్మ ఓయమ్మ, జయజమ్మ జయజమ్మ మా జయజమ్మ.
మమతల తల్లి ఒడి బాహుబలి లాలన తేలి శతధావరలి ఎదలో కపాల్కడలి మదనం జరిగే స్థలం.
అదిగో పెను నిశ్శబ్దం పగిలి ముక్కలవుతున్న భీకర దృశ్యం, అలలెగసిన తడి అలజడి ఆగ్రహ తేజమై రూపుదాల్చిన సత్యం, ఆగ్రహప్రాణపరాయణ దీక్షా పర్వం అహో ఆరంభం. అదిగో పెను నిశ్శబ్దం పగిలి ముక్కలవుతున్న భీకర దృశ్యం, అలలెగసిన తడి అలజడి ఆగ్రహ తేజమై రూపుదాల్చిన సత్యం, ఆగ్రహప్రాణపరాయణ దీక్షా పర్వం అహో ఆరంభం. ప్రాణపరాయణ దీక్షా పర్వం అహో ఆరంభం. ధీరా 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 ఓరణ ధీరా, రారా రారా తేరా తీసే వెలుగైన రా. ధీరా 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 ఓరణ ధీరా, రారా రారా తేరా తీసే వెలుగైన రా.
I'm very happy that associated with the Karnataka project. Especially I'm thankful to Professor Shastri Garu inviting me for this alumni meet. So all experiences they have shared, and I have worked in this Karnataka project from 1992 to 2009, and then afterwards and a different line. Many of the students after looking into this WhatsApp group, I could able to recollect my memories when I was working with the support for Gulati, Anuradha madam, and Jajina madam, and Radhika madam. So especially to see all of you, I have come already my schedules are all, and I have changed myself only to meet my colleagues and to have a alumni meet share with you, and this alumni meet should continue, and it is the memory, and people will connect with this alumni. We have a lot of I am in 3 alumni associations. One is Kakatiya University Upa Alumni Association. Though I don't have time, I used to see the messages in the group. And I have law group associations. I am Ahmedabad President Associations. Though we don't have time, we used to see the news about our friends, colleagues who are there. So it is the best connecting platform. You please continue this, and we will be knowing each other where we are and how we are, and health conditions, as well as improvements in your promotions and all that, achievements, awards. So this is a very good occasion you very much.
Thank you for your word of expression. Next is Dhanlakshmi. Dhanlakshmi ma'am is here. Dhanlakshmi ma'am is here. Can I have Padmavati ma'am? Padmavati ma'am. Next is Padmavati ma'am. I'm going on calling names. Please don't mind. Rachna ma'am. Madam, ready. Vasati ma'am. Dhanlakshmi ma'am is here. Dhanlakshmi ma'am. Please come. Vasati. Vasati ma'am. No energy, girls. This is a cultural event. If this is the energy, how?
It was natural, or I don't know, we were extremely thankful to the students for the felicitations. But I request and invite all my colleagues to join me in felicitating the senior most students of KLPW, right from very senior batches. To our grace in the occasion, and let us all the staff members, please join us. It is a unique occasion to felicitate our senior most. In fact, even before joining, she was a student here, so we felicitate her. Thank you very much. We thank Ratna Madam to be present with us. 1967 batch, that is before my birth, not my physical birth. As a lecturer here, she has left the college. So I missed the opportunity to say hello to her. But now I have got the opportunity to felicitate her. All my friends, it is really good honor for her, and she has done a great favor for us. Thank you very much.
సంవత్సరం తర్వాత నేను పాలిటెక్నిక్లో 1967 బ్యాచ్లో పాస్ అయ్యాను. అప్పటి నుండి
32 years CSI హాస్పిటల్ సంవత్సరంలో గ్రేడ్ 1 ఫార్మసిస్ట్గా రిటైర్డ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇదే ప్లేస్కి వచ్చి నేను అందరినీ కలుసుకున్నందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ప్రిన్సిపాల్ మేడం, ఆ స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ నా కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను.
We have another privilege to felicitate one more senior most staff, a student I mean, because she looks like a staff, but of course she has performed a number of. Her batch was 1968. 1968 she passed out, and then we are extremely but we kindly felicitate.
Dear madams, గురు బ్రహ్మలారా, ఎక్కడో పుట్టి ఎక్కడో పెరిగి ఇక్కడే కలిశాము చదువులమ్మ చెట్టు నీడలో. వీడలేమంటూ వీడుకోలంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాము చిలిపి తనపు చివరి మలుపులో. We miss all the fun, we miss all the joy, we miss you. We miss all the fun, we miss all the joy, we miss you. బుక్కులోన రాణికి పంపిన ప్రేమ లేఖలు, సైన్సు ల్యాబులోన శీలపై చల్లిన ఇంకు చుక్కలు, ఫస్ట్ బెంచిలోన మున్నిపై వేసిన పేపరు ఫ్లైటులు, రాధ జల్లో నుంచి రాబర్టు లాగిన రబ్బరు బ్యాండులు, రాజేషు ఇచ్చిన రోజా పువ్వులు, శ్రీవాణి పెట్టిన చెవిలో పువ్వులు, కైలాషు కూసిన కాకి కూతలు, కళ్యాణి పేల్చిన లెంపకాయలు, మరపురాని తిరిగి రాని గురుతులండి. మీ మనసు నొచ్చుకుని ఉంటే మన్నించండి.
We miss all the fun, we miss all the joy, we miss you.
ఎక్కడో పుట్టి ఎక్కడో పెరిగి ఇక్కడే కలిశాము చదువులమ్మ చెట్టు నీడలో.
విడలేమంటూ విడుకోలంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాము చిలిపి తనపు చివరి మలుపులో.
మాస్టారి బోడిగుండు పైన బోలెడు చోకులు, రాగిణి మేడము రూపురేఖ పైన గ్రూపు సాంగులు, సుబ్బయ్య మాస్టారి స్కూటీకి గుచ్చిన గుండు పిన్నులు, టైపిస్టు కస్తూరి ఖాతాలో తాగిన కోకు టిన్నులు, బ్లాక్ బోర్డు పైన గ్రీకు బొమ్మలు, సెల్ ఫోనుల్లోన సిల్లి న్యూసులు, బాతురూములోన భావ కవితలు, క్లాసు రూములోన కుప్పిగంతులు, మరపురాని తిరిగి రాని గురుతులండి, మీ మనసు నొచ్చుకుని ఉంటే మన్నించండి.
మనకు క్షమాపణలు ఎందుకండి, మీ వయసులోన మేము కూడా ఇంతేనండి. We miss all the fun, we miss all the joy, we miss you. We miss all the fun, we miss all the joy, we miss you.
ఒకటే జీవితం స్నేహాలే ఓవరం, కరిగే ఈ క్షణం చేసేరా జ్ఞాపకం. పడితే ఒక్కడే మరి రారా అందరే, కలిగే ధైర్యమే కలిసుంటే నలుగురే. కష్టం నష్టం ఏది రాని స్నేహం నీలో బలం కదా ఓసారొస్తే.
షష్టం వికటమేవ చ సప్తమం రాజేంద్ర భవేత్ సర్వ గణేశస్య ప్రసాదతః.
నీ బయట మెట్టుపై వాలిందే పూల బుట్టలో మెరుపు నీ కట్టు బట్టులో దూరిందే తేనె పట్టులో నీ పిలువే నన్ను పట్టి పడేసిందే పిల్ల నుండేదో ఇల్లే వేసినామే
Exclusive DJ Saeed Gamish.
ఏం లేదమ్మా, మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కలిసి గెట్ టుగెదర్ చేసుకుంటున్నారమ్మా. అయితే నేను కూడా కలుస్తున్నానమ్మా. చాలా సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కలుస్తున్నారమ్మా. మనందరూ కలిసి మన కష్టం సుఖాలు మా అందరూ పంచుకుంటున్నారమ్మా. ప్లీజ్ అత్తమ్మా, మా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కలిసి చదువుకున్న వాళ్ళందరం కలుస్తామని నాకు అన్ని విషయాలలో తోడు ఉండగలుగుతామా. మేమందరం చాలా క్లోజ్ అవుతామా. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కలిసి చదువుకున్నాం కదమ్మా. ప్లీజ్ అవుతామా, ఒక్కసారి అవుతామా. కలవద్దా అత్తమ్మ,
కలవద్దు.
అందరినీ మర్చిపోవాలి అత్తమ్మ.
అమ్మ అంతగానో రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తుంది కానీ మమత ఎప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు ఇంట్లో పనులు అవన్నీ చూసుకుంటుంది, పిల్లల్ని అన్ని చూసుకుంటుంది, ఫ్యామిలీ అంతా చూసుకుంటుంది కదా. వాళ్ళకి ఎప్పుడో 60 years తర్వాత గ్యాదరింగ్ పెట్టి రీయూనియన్ అని 60 years తర్వాత అందరూ ఎన్నో బ్యాచెస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కలుస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా. మరి మనం పంపించకపోతే ఎట్లమ్మా, కొంచెం ఆలోచించమ్మా.
ఉంటుంది అత్తమ్మ, నీకు ఒక్కసారి కొట్టుకోమత్తమ్మ, ప్లీజ్ అత్తమ్మ, ఒక్కసారి అట్లా పోయి మన పొద్దున్న పోయి సాయంత్రం కల్లా వచ్చేస్తాను అత్తమ్మ.
అమ్మ వినలే ప్లీజే, మమత అంత బతలాడుతుంది కదా, కొంచెం ఆలోచించవే.
సరే అత్తమ్మ.
అట్లా ఉంటేనే అమ్మ కానీ కాలేజ్ లైఫ్ అంటే ఎట్లా స్కూల్ లైఫ్ అయితే
సరే అమ్మా, చూపెట్టొస్తా.
DJ Sharif.